Thank you. We are moving on for the second section of the question. We have done the first two, then we are proceeding over this. Now, the next one, that's number 3. Number 3 is talking about 27 raised to power x minus 1, then multiply by 27 raised to power 1 minus x. So from what we have, since you are having the same number to be multiplied, now the next thing is we'll be adding their powers together. So from here we have 27 raised to power x minus 1 plus 1 minus x. So the next thing you will have is 27 raised to power x minus 1 plus times plus 1 will give us plus 1 plus times minus 1 minus x will give us minus x. Are we getting it now? If you look at it very well. Now the next thing is we are having 27 raised to power, that will be, we collect the like terms, x minus x minus 1 plus 1. So definitely x minus x will cut each other. Minus 1 plus 1 will cut each other. So that means we are left with no number there except 0. And the rule says anything raised to power 0 is equal to what? Is equal to 1. So 1 remains as our final answer. Now let's see the next one, which is on that number 4. Number 4 questions, we have 3x raised to power 2 into brackets of minus 2. When you have this, 3x raised to power 2 into a bigger bracket of minus 2. Now, when you see this, there's a rule that told us there that the power, once you have two power, a power inside the bracket and another one outside the bracket, they will multiply each other. So that's the first thing we are going to do. So we are left with 3x raised to power 2, that's 2 multiplied by minus 2. And that will give us 3x raised to power all into minus 4. So when we have minus 4, then we say this one will now be, with this our minus 4 is going to be, which is reciprocal. That becomes 1 over 3x raised to power 4. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we'll have it to be 1 over, that will be, we'll now use the power to open the bracket. That means we have 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by x raised to power 4, which will give us something like this. We have 1 over 3 raised to power 4. Now, okay, let's continue from the other side here. That means we have 3 raised to power, let me roll it so that we can continue. So we have 1 over 3 raised to power 4, that is, I think 3 times 3, that will give us 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3 will give us 81. So we have 81 multiplied by x raised to power 4. So our final answer will be 1 over 81x raised to power 4. So that's our final answer. Thank you. So we've been able to solve 2 more by the question. So we go to the next one so that we can manage the time. The time will not be too much, so that you can easily watch it very fast and go to the next one. Thank you. God bless you.